Council tax is a joke. Check out this house behind me. It's on the market for 24 million quid. It's got 7 bedrooms, a sauna, a swimming pool, a gym. It's even got a walk-in wine room. But get this, if you own this property, you pay less council tax than if you own this house in my constituency in Lancashire. It sounds unbelievable, but it's true. Current council tax bans were brought in as a rush replacement for the hated poll tax. John Major was the Prime Minister, the Soviet Union was still knocking around, and Leeds United were winning English league titles. Now that was a long time ago. Now, council tax is the most unfair, regressive tax in Britain. It means my constituents in ordinary homes here in Lancashire are paying more in property tax than billionaires in London. So if we're looking for a wealth tax that actually works, let's start with this.